Hi, you've known about Power BI. In some of the previous video I've done on this page, you'll see what is Power BI, especially what is business intelligence generally. So you can check through the page, you'll see what I explain what business intelligence is and the tools for this business intelligence. So today I want to tell you some reasons why Power BI, like why you should learn Power BI or why you should become a Power BI developer. So the first thing is, according to the Gartner report, um, out of all the BI tools, Power BI was launched, yeah, was launched 9 years ago. Power BI was launched 9 years ago, and within 9 years, Power BI has dominated the BI industry. When it comes to industries that want to make reporting easy for them, Power BI has dominated this BI industry. So Tableau is topmost before, and then Power BI comes. And these are the reason why Power BI in 9 years has displaced even some BI tools of 15, 20, 30 years in just 9 years. And these are the reasons why you should learn Power BI or you should embark on your road to becoming a Power BI developer. The first one is Power BI has obtainable learning curve. It is easy to learn Power BI. Like in 1 month, in 2 weeks, you can learn Power BI. It's very easy. The tools, the features are very easy to understand. You don't need complex things. And you'll see some videos on how you can start learning within this page. So those are where you can learn Power BI. Very easy. That's the first reason. Because it's very easy to learn. So a lot of people, even companies that are already using other BI tools, maybe Tableau, using Looker, using ClickView, migrated their BI solutions into Power BI because their employee, which is their team or the reporting team, very easy to learn for them and very easy to adopt. That's the first reason why you should learn Power BI. That's the first reason why you should become a Power BI developer. Second reason why you should learn Power BI is data consolidation. Power BI helps connect data from many sources. That's another powerful things why people adopt Power BI much. If you have your data from Excel, data from JSON, maybe data from your databases, whether SQL Server, Amazon Redshift, you have data from your CRM, you have data from the websites you are scraping, you have data from SharePoint, anywhere you can think of. Power BI can connect to anywhere this data might be residing. That's the second reason why company adopts Power BI. So you learning Power BI, these are powerful things you can do because it helps with data silos. When you say data silos, because a lot of companies have their data scattered anywhere. So it's very hard for them to create a reporting to report it. So if you pick up Power BI, you learn Power BI too. As I mentioned, that's one of the reasons why company adopt Power BI also, and that's why a lot of talent and a lot of job opportunities are open for Power BI. There's no any data analyst or any BI analyst job that you will see currently in this era that it doesn't require Power BI. It's rare because a lot of companies has adopted it. So that's second reason why you should learn Power BI. The third reason is Microsoft integration because Power BI is created by Microsoft and they made it available that you can integrate Power BI to any of Microsoft tools. Whether you're working from Excel, there's a way you can use Power BI and Excel together. Whether you're working with PowerPoint, there's a way if you want to prevent your slides, you can embed your report that you built, like you have designed into PowerPoint without you not even designing from any slide. You can just embed that report into PowerPoint. The other one that made available is if you're using SharePoint, you can embed Power BI into your website, into any app, like anywhere you can think of Microsoft tools, you can integrate Power BI to it. That's one powerful thing. So companies that are already using Microsoft like Office 365, they already have Microsoft subscription. It's so easy for them to just subscribe, buy the license of Power BI. That's the third reason why you should learn or why Power BI is why you can become a Power BI or you should adopt Power BI. The fourth reason here is analytical engine. So analytical engine, Power BI comes with strong analytical engine, or main analytical engine. There are other tools, other BI tools that you cannot do transformation, especially for Looker or Looker Studio. You cannot do transformation. Like you cannot clean data, you cannot um, transform data with Looker Studio. Tableau, you might need a third-party tool also to do some advanced transformation. But Power BI has this analytical engine that you can transform instead of you like waiting for other people to transform the data before you can start your reporting, which takes time before. But Power BI makes it everything seamless. So before when you're doing analysis, you will need maybe the engineer or the analytical engineer to transform the data from the database and make everything readily available for you, and you start your own reporting, which takes time, it's not efficient. But Power BI comes and creates an engine that can say, okay, even though data is not clean, you can come and clean it in Power BI yourself. And that's another powerful reason why companies adopt Power BI. Like another powerful reason why company adopts Power BI. So if you're not using Power BI yet and you're looking, okay, people have been saying Power BI, I've been saying Power BI. Should I use it in my company? Yeah, these are reasons, like I've mentioned, why you can use it in your company. And if you're looking at, okay, you want to learn data analysis and you don't know why Power BI, this is another reason for you why you should learn Power BI, because it opens opportunity for you in different industries, because a lot of companies are adopting Power BI, which is creating more job security for Power BI developers or BI developers or BI analysts or data analysts. So you are still on your right path becoming a data analyst, but Power BI is a go-to for you if you want to become a data analyst. Another reason why you should learn Power BI is distributed platform. Power BI makes it easy to share reports. So before you know, when you create your report in Excel, create your report in Google Sheets, it's only you and when people send your file to. But in organization, not everybody can have access to, because there should be some access level. So if you create interactive reports with Power BI, you can share it with specific people. You can even share it with the entire organization as a web. You can embed this on a web. People can even go there and access to it. As all those ones you see on the internet, if you have come across any dashboard before on the internet, maybe on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and you click on the link and it takes you to where dashboard is, you click on it, everything is interactive. That's what we call distributed platform. So Power BI access to that. Other BI tools give you access to that also. So it's not something so new. But other BI, that's so BI tool, that's one of the functionalities, the features you should actually provide. So Power BI provide that also. One thing that to tell Power BI apart is cost perspective. Out of all BI tool, Power BI is a less BI tools, lower subscription. At as far as $10, you can start using Power BI. Even with that, for as a business, so if you're a business and you're looking to start your reporting, as far as $10 per user, you can start using Power BI. So if you're a learner, Power BI provides free resources on how you can learn. Like provide Power BI desktop. You can build anything with Power BI desktop. And if you want to access advanced features, as I mentioned, as long as $10. They even have a program called Developer Program. You can apply for developer program that can give you free access to Microsoft products. You will have access to Microsoft license and be able to use enterprise licensing if you're able to get the um, developer program. So that's another reason why you should adopt Power BI as a business, or you that want to learn, become a data analyst, or you want to learn Power BI. That's another reason why you should learn Power BI. The next one is enterprise integration. Power BI creates a security access for enterprises, whether you want to implement data governance, you want to give access to some features that your employee can have access to, like role level security. Not everybody can see every report. Not all information should be accessible to people. So there should be certain accessible to specific type of people. So Power BI creates all those security access that you can think of. Any administration access you can think of, security access you can think of, Power BI provide that. So it serves as uh, in enterprise solution also. So you can see Power BI is beyond data visualization, as you said. It actually has a feature of that, but Power BI is beyond that. And the last one that Power BI provides is business continuity. So you can continue. Power BI has different licenses. If you start from free, anything you are doing from free does not like cancel. You can migrate it to other licenses. Like you can keep upgrading to meet your business need. From Power BI license, Power BI free to Power BI Pro to Power BI Premium. There are tons of licenses that you can keep upgrading to, and your existing solution as a business will not stop. It will keep upgrading, migrating it to the next step. So these are like 8, 9 reasons I think I've stated of why you should learn Power BI. And I think with this, you know, maybe you as a business person, you might be thinking if you try to setting up your team, or you as a business lead or a data analyst lead, you are looking for the tools to set up for your infrastructure in your business or in your company as a team. You can see why one of the reasons why you should like use or learn or use Power BI or adopt Power BI in your company. Or you as a person that are just starting your data career journey, or you're already in your data career journey and you're looking for something to like advance on or pick up on, you can see another reason why you should learn Power BI, because it creates assets, it creates opens opportunity for you in the BI industry. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, put it in the comments. Appreciate this thing by sharing to other people that you know that want to like start their journey, so other businesses that you know that are looking for solution, a BI solution. So if you want to learn Power BI, or you are looking to report, create a BI solution for your company, you can send me a DM. If you're looking to learn Power BI, become better with the advanced Power BI that you already know. You want to build on the knowledge, or you're just starting out, you can send me a DM. So put it in the comments. I will know how to get reach to you. Yeah. See your productivity goals. Voila.